Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial class. In today's class, we'll be teaching you a strategy called sliding on the averages. Now let's head over to the technical analysis section, click on strategies and enable sliding on the averages. Click on it, then enable it. It has two lines, the blue and yellow lines, as you can see. Now exit the strategy section. Now, as you can see on the chart, we have two lines, yellow and blue lines, but to fully understand the market, let's switch our chart frame to different chart durations. So let's go to 1 minute, as you can see, and let's go to 30 seconds chart frame, as you can see. Now let's go back to the 1 minute chart frame to see some possible point of interception. The best time frame you want to use for this chart is between 30 seconds to 1 minute. On the chart frame, you have different interception points. As you can see, there's one interception point here, and if you look carefully, you will see, let's go to the 30 seconds chart frame. We have different interception points at different point in time on the asset, which is the Bitcoin asset. So there's one interception point around this region here, where the yellow line cut across the blue line there. Now that is the tips you want to put in mind. There's another interception here where the yellow line cut across the blue line, and that's another tips. And we have another one here where the yellow line is on the top, cutting across the blue line on the bottom. So this is what you want to know. The yellow line should be on the top, cutting across the blue line on the bottom. Whenever you see that kind of movement, know is a sign for you to go down. And whenever you see the yellow line on the bottom, cutting across the blue line, as you can see here, is a sign for you to go up. So that is the secret of using sliding on the average. For you to go up, there must be an interception. Yellow line should be on the bottom, cutting across the blue line. And for you to go down, the yellow line should be on the top, cutting across the blue line, going downward. So with those points in mind, we'd love to take some practical example. Let's switch between time frame again and see. Let's check all the markets like the crypto composite index. You can see there's about to be an interception here on the 1 minute chart frame. Now let's switch over to 30 seconds to see if the market has intercepted. As you can see, the interception has already taken place on the 30 seconds chart frame. So we want to be on the 1 minute chart frame to fully understand. Our trade time should be more than 1 minute. We'll go with 2 minutes, and our trade amount will be $10. So $10 for risk management, 2 minutes for proper market consolidation. So they are about to intercept. After this candle, I think the next candle forming will show us the proper interception of this current asset. So let's wait briefly. After this candle has taken place, we will take trade on the next candle. Even if there's a retracement in the market around this region, is a clear sign that there will be an interception. Yellow line is on the top, the blue line is on the bottom, so we are going down around this region. We'll take multiple trades for 2 minutes going downward and see what the result will be. So around this place, let's wait for a more better opportunity. We have a new candle forming, but the interception has already taken place. So any trade we take here for a substantial period of time, let's say 2 minutes, will still make us profitable. So we'll be going down with 2 minutes. Since the yellow line is on the top and the interception has already taken place, we'll be looking for good entry point. I think this one is a good entry point. We'll be going down here for just 2 minutes because the interception has already taken place. So let's wait and let's see how far the result will be in the next 2 minutes. So as we wait for our results, you can see our active trades around this section. You can see we're currently on profit, and we have some few seconds left remaining. 1 minute and some seconds left remaining for us to be on profit, and the market is currently going down after some series of seconds. So we are currently on profit. As you can see, we've made profit for the day. So that's how you take trades on the Olymptrade platform. We hope you've learned something. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and trade very, very safely.